In today's video, I'll show you how to create recurring appointments in Acuity Scheduling, step by step. If you work with regular clients or run weekly sessions, this setup helps you automate repeat bookings without manually creating each appointment every time. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Calendar section from the left side menu. This is where all appointments are managed. Now click on the Add New button and select Appointment. Next, choose the appointment type, select the calendar, and set the date and time for the first session. After that, look for the Recurring option next to the time settings. Click it, and you'll be able to set how often the appointment should repeat. For example, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your schedule. Then choose how many times the appointment should repeat. If you want a long-term schedule, you can set up multiple sessions in one go. When booking for clients, you may be able to create up to 52 recurring sessions, depending on your setup. If there are any conflicts with your availability, Acuity will highlight those dates so you can adjust them before confirming. Now enter your client's details, such as name, email, and any additional notes. Once everything is correct, click Schedule Appointment. Acuity will automatically generate all future sessions based on the recurring pattern you selected, saving you from creating each appointment manually. You can also set up recurring availability instead of individual appointments by going into the Availability section and enabling regular weekly hours. This is useful if your schedule stays the same every week. For group classes, you can create a recurring class series so clients can register for multiple sessions at once. Before finishing, always check your calendar to confirm that all recurring appointments have been created correctly. And that's it. You've successfully created recurring appointments in Acuity Scheduling and streamlined your booking workflow. And that's how you create recurring appointments in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.